are headed down to Sherman's family farm because he is buying one of our cootie pigs. He asked a long time ago, and we've just been so busy and haven't had a chance to get down here. And then my car was having some vibration issues and tires were out of balance. We got it all taken care of, so we're good now. So it's super hot today. Car is showing 109 for the temperature. And
unprecedented heat wave after the unprecedented cold snap.
Yeah. So we decided we didn't really want to do anything today. It's just too hot to get anything done, so we're gonna bring this pig down here. Okay guys, so we made it here to Sherman's family farm to drop off the pig. He's over here with a customer right now. So we got the pig over here in the kennel.
Fixing to go introduce him to his new pig friends. Sherman's over here doing a watermelon transaction. Josh,
yeah, I'm videoing.
this is Josh's watermelon stand from the first person view behind it. Yep.
This is where I spank my watermelons at.
When's the
T-shirts coming.
when's the watermelon spanker t-shirts coming?
So I've been thinking which one. Like some other person said also. They called me, Mr. Josh, I got the perfect T-shirt idea. I said, what's that? He said, only melons. You know,
Yeah.
So I said, okay.
Be a good one.
Yeah.
Probably sell.
Yeah.
You could you need a banner with the shirts on it too. Only melons.
Yeah. I've thought about what's the best one. So yeah, melon spanker. That could be a good one too. Or that's I think I'm about to think about it.
Spank my melons. Oh, that one sounds good.
I know they're good.
So which one's the best one? This one?
All of
Orange.
them.
I was trying to watch your video. I got
Yeah, which one's the best? Yeah. So you know, a lot of people have been coming down here. Mike and Terry came down, and Pretty and Pooch came down. A lot of people's coming that got them. Well, Pretty and Pooch, they didn't get one. Johnny and Christine didn't get one, but they were too early. We didn't have them yet. And but they've all like, which one's the best ones? Back Row and Freedom came Justin. And we had a yellow one that day. By God, it was the sweetest melon. Man, it was good.
We grew. Was it last year?
The orange
We grew
ones?
some orange ones.
Yeah.
They were like a heritage variety, so they had a ton of seeds in it, but they were really good.
Yeah. That's the watermelon that I want. I want the orange one.
You want to try an orange one?
I like
them.
them.
Get a couple, but
The orange one's my favorite.
you got to spank a watermelon.
Spank your own melons, or we're gonna eat one today
I thought
too.
Yeah.
the spider ones were the.
So there's so many different ways.
Oh, that one sounds good to me.
We're gonna cut this one open today.
All right.
And a red one. We're gonna
You
cut
got
a couple
some.
open today. All right.
All right, let's see if Sherman picked out or Josh. I keep saying Sherman.
Can you hear the spanking?
Can you hear the spanking going on over here?
Yep.
You've got to spank your melons before you eat them. You have to do it. We've got two. One's a little bit bigger than the other. We won't say nothing about that. But
Look at that watermelon juice.
oh man. Woo!
Is your mouth watering, Levi?
I know mine is.
Let's see.
Woo.
You've been craving watermelon for so
Very
long.
long.
That one's just willing to bust
Oh
open.
yeah.
Oh, look at that. Or is that yellow or orange?
Oh, it's really yellow.
It's technically yellow.
Yeah. I don't know how y'all eat your watermelon, but we just slice it up here.
There's not that much rind in that one for your medicinal watermelon rind information. But these are better for eating.
Oh yeah.
Watermelon, the flesh is better than the rind.
Grab one,
so
Levi.
This is my kind of watermelon.
I'm gonna try the red first.
What do you think, kid? You've been wanting it. Oh, he likes it.
It's a good watermelon.
I love it.
Red dirt grown watermelons.
Water. Sweet.
That's good.
A lot of people don't know that, but Oklahoma is an excellent place to grow watermelon.
These
A
are
lot of
hot.
watermelons grown here.
Man,
This is the one that's been on the table.
I didn't even like watermelon when I was a kid. I like it now.
It's not too hot. But that definitely does have a different flavor than the red.
Different one than the red.
Thank you.
I was hoping I
like
like this stuff.
It's good. Which one's better?
Warm.
I think the yellow, if it was as cold as the red, I think would be better than the red. And the red kind of has like a earthy aftertaste. I feel like it's really, really sweet, and it's kind of got the earthy aftertaste. Whereas the yellow seemed more consistent
I can't really choose.
throughout the whole flavor.
They're both.
I don't know if that makes
both
sense.
It does, yeah. It really does.
But both of them are very good,
Look the shelf around here.
and both of them are low. Both of them have an excellent flesh to rind ratio. So
Yeah.
those aren't large watermelons, but I feel like you're getting just as much flesh out of those as you are some of the big ones with the thick rind.
I like that color. That's some dark color. Most of them are a lot lighter than that. It's pretty good. Hi, Rylan.
Rylan Huxton, you want some watermelon?
No.
Come over here and get some.
Come try it. Oh, got another customer.
Another customer.
Not be my neighbor. Only as my neighbor.
Oh. Tell me what you think of it, Huxton. Your grimy little hands in there. Titus eats it all the time, huh? Okay, rate it 1 to 10.
It's gonna be 1,000.
Oh, 1,000? You're giving him 1,000?
I'm
Whoo!
doing a hounding.
That is a good rating. Y'all hear that? You need to stop by Josh Sherman's stand down here and get you a watermelon because it's got a 1,000 rating out of 10. Mmm.
That is yellow.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow Sherman Family Farms on YouTube, and
Don't forget to shop local at Sherman Family Farms and spank a watermelon.
where you guys at?
That one looks down there.
Where are we?
No can.
It's
No,
warm?
Yes, one.
No, it's not like cold.
So as you guys can see, we were about less than an hour away from Blue River, so we decided to come down here. We've been here a few times. We have never been to this particular spot, but this place is gorgeous. There are waterfalls all the way down this river. Hopefully one day we can get some, actually we have tubes. Hopefully one day we can come tube this thing, or maybe get some kayaks. I think that'd be super fun. But it's we got a little less than an hour before daylight is gone, so we're gonna let the boys swim for a little bit, maybe try to catch some fish, and this will close out our evening.